For hip uprighting, we're almost in a side plank position, separating the shoulder from the ear, keeping that rib cage up and neutral, keeping my neck neutral as well. This hip is at 45 degrees. This knee is at 45 degrees. I'm gonna bring my right leg and my right arm up if I can. If I need to support myself like this initially to get used to this movement, I can. This is a regression, okay? But if I can, my arm is gonna remain parallel to my leg. So wherever my leg and my arm go, they go together, just like this. They match each other, all right? While keeping everything up and neutral, separating my shoulder from my ear. Right leg up, arm, they're mirrored. I'm going to lean in, put all of my weight on this bottom leg, pick my body off the ground and rotate my entire body forward as if I'm going to rotate onto the ground to crawl. That's kind of the motion I'm going through, okay? So picking up and forward, rotating forward, slowly rotating back down, tapping the hip, coming right back up, keeping my shoulder and my ear separated. Notice I'm not letting that collapse while I do this. Nice and tall, back down. Rotate up and forward, and slowly rotate back down. And this is hip uprighting.